Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Hyatt Zilara Cancun, an adults-only paradise nestled on the widest stretch of beach in Cancun's hotel zone. Get ready for a journey through crystal-clear waters, gourmet dining, and some seriously swanky suites. So, grab your virtual margarita, and let's explore this Mexican gem together. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? At Hyatt Zilara Cancun, forget about cramped hotel rooms. It's all about spacious suites here, folks. Every single room in this resort is a suite, offering you plenty of space to stretch out and relax. Picture yourself waking up to breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea from your private balcony. Sounds dreamy, right? But wait, there's more. Some suites even come with their own hot tubs on the balcony. Talk about luxury with a capital L. Now, if you're feeling extra fancy, you might want to check out the swim-up suites. Yes, you heard that right, swim-up suites. Imagine stepping out of your room and right into a refreshing pool. It's like having your own private oasis. Inside, you'll find all the modern amenities you'd expect from a five-star resort. Flat-screen TVs, Wi-Fi, because let's face it, we all need to post those vacation pics, and a minibar that's restocked daily. Oh, and did I mention the magic box for 24-hour room service? It's like having a genie at your beck and call, except instead of wishes, you get delicious food delivered right to your room, without even having to see another human. Introvert's paradise, am I right? Now let's talk about food because, let's be honest, that's half the reason we go on vacation anyway. Hyatt Zilara Cancun doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. They've got multiple specialty restaurants serving up a smorgasbord of cuisines. Craving some authentic Mexican fare? They've got you covered. In the mood for some sushi? No problem. How about some Mediterranean delights? You got it. And the best part? It's all included in your stay. That's right, folks. You can eat to your heart's content without worrying about the bill at the end. Now, if you're a bit of a food snob, no judgment here. You'll be pleased to know that the resort takes pride in its gourmet offerings. We're talking fresh seafood, expertly crafted dishes, and flavors that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. And let's not forget about the bars, 5 of them, to be exact. From swim-up bars, because swimming to your cocktail is clearly the superior way to hydrate, to elegant lounges, you'll never be far from a refreshing drink. They've even got themed nights and live entertainment, so you can sip your margarita while enjoying some local culture. Just remember to pace yourself. You've got all vacation to try every cocktail on the menu. Alright, sun worshippers, let's talk about the pools and beaches. Hyatt Zilara Cancun is not messing around in this department. First off, the resort is located on the widest stretch of beach in Cancun's hotel zone. That means plenty of space to spread out your towel without feeling like you're in a game of human Tetris. The sand is soft, the water is that perfect shade of turquoise that makes you question if you're looking at a postcard, and the views are, well, let's just say they're Instagram-worthy. But maybe you're more of a pool person? Don't worry, they've got you covered there too. The resort boasts multiple pools, including an infinity pool that seems to merge with the ocean. It's like swimming in the Caribbean, but without the risk of becoming shark bait. And remember those swim-up suites we talked about earlier? They're connected to adults-only pools, so you can literally roll out of bed and into the water. Talk about living the dream. The pools are surrounded by comfortable loungers and cabanas, perfect for when you need a break from all that relaxing. And if you're feeling a bit more active, they offer non-motorized water sports like snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding. Just don't blame us if you get so comfortable that you forget to leave the water all day. Now let's chat about activities because, believe it or not, there's more to do here than just lounging by the pool, although that's a perfectly acceptable way to spend your entire vacation, no judgment. For those of you who like to stay active even on vacation, you overachievers, you. Hyatt Zilara Cancun has got a fully equipped fitness center. We're talking cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment. Everything you need to work off all those all-inclusive margaritas. They even offer fitness classes, so you can try something new like yoga or Zumba. But maybe you're more interested in activities that don't involve sweating? Well, you're in luck. The resort offers all sorts of fun stuff like wine tasting, now we're talking, and craft making classes. You could learn how to make your own tequila dangerous but fun, or try your hand at some traditional Mexican crafts. And let's not forget about the entertainment. Every night, there's something going on: live music, cultural shows, theme parties. It's like a non-stop fiesta. Just remember, what happens in Cancun stays in Cancun. Unless you post it on social media, of course. Alright, let's take a moment to zen out and talk about the spa and wellness offerings at Hyatt Zilara Cancun. Because let's face it, sometimes you need a vacation from your vacation, right? The spa here is not your average hotel spa. Oh no, this is a full-on pampering paradise. We're talking massages that'll make you forget what stress even is, facials that'll have you glowing like a newlywed, and body wraps that'll leave you feeling like a burrito of bliss. They've even got some Mayan-inspired treatments if you're feeling a bit adventurous. Want to sweat out those toxins? Hit up the sauna or steam room. Need to relax after all that relaxing? They've got special relaxation lounges where you can continue your journey to ultimate chill. And if you're into hydrotherapy, fancy word for playing in water, they've got that too. It's like a grown-up water park, but instead of screaming kids, it's just the sound of pure relaxation. And let's not forget about wellness. They offer all sorts of classes and programs to help you find your inner zen. Yoga on the beach? Check. Meditation sessions? You got it. Detox programs? Yep, they can help you undo all the damage from those poolside pina coladas. Just remember, what happens in the spa stays in the spa. Unless you come out looking 10 years younger, then you're obligated to share your secret. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about the kids? Well folks, here's the kicker. Hyatt Zilara Cancun is an adults-only resort. That's right, no kids allowed. So, if you're looking for a break from the little ones, hey, we all need it sometimes. This is your spot. No splash zones, no kiddie pools, no chicken nuggets on the menu. Just pure, unadulterated adult relaxation. It's like being in a fancy, tropical version of a kid-free zone. So leave the floaties and coloring books at home and pack an extra book or two instead. Or don't pack anything at all. Remember, you're here to relax. But just because you're on vacation doesn't mean you have to be a hermit, unless that's your thing, in which case you do you. Hyatt Zilara Cancun is perfectly positioned for some amazing day trips and excursions. Want to channel your inner Indiana Jones? The ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum are just a couple of hours away. Fancy swimming with some fishy friends? The Cancun Underwater Museum is practically in your backyard. And if you're up for a bit of island hopping, Isla Mujeres is just a short ferry ride away. Back in the hotel zone, you've got all the shopping and nightlife you could want. So whether you're into history, nature, or just good old-fashioned retail therapy, there's something for everyone. Just don't blame us if you end up extending your stay because you couldn't fit it all in. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.